In this video, I'm going to show you bright food preset tutorial in Lightroom mobile. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description, but before that, the file is protected by a password. If you want to know what the password is, you have to watch the full video. The password is given in the video. Okay, let's start the tutorial. How was the tutorial? Tell me in the comments. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos.